Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Chrysler 200S all-wheel drive. Stock number B9779B. 65,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Billet Silver Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. The 200 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick with backup camera. Nice size trunk, wide opening, makes it easy to get things in and out. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 200S has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read, nice blue gauges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Paddle shifters when the 9-speed automatic transmission is put into sport mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. That 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead. Moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.